If you are a video content creator or thinking about becoming one, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be sharing some of the basic gear that you need to get you started or to make your content creation easier, and also a little extra that you didn't think that you needed to add to your gear list. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Optimistic Maggie. On this channel, we talk about all things social media and content creation, and sometimes you'll hear me talking about entrepreneurship as well. So in my previous video, I talked about some of the things I wish I knew before I became a content creator, and I wanted to do a video dedicated to all my video content creators out there to help you know some gears that you definitely need to have in your toolkit. But also, if you're already one, I'm going to be sharing with you some gear that you probably didn't think you needed to add to your list of tools or equipment, and you need to run and go get these today. All right, so we're going to start off with the basics, all right? The most obvious ones. If you're going to be a video content creator, of course, you need a camera, right? And personally, I am using right now my iPhone 13 Pro because I'm saving up towards buying another camera that I can use that has 4K. The current one that I have is a Sony SL2. It doesn't have 4K on it. Very little that I can do with it at the moment compared to like all of the amazing visuals that I've been seeing online, and I want to get to that level too. So yeah, definitely add into my list. But what I would say is that if you're considering to buy a camera, one of the best advice I have gotten from anyone is to ensure that the camera is one of those flip out screens, so that while you're recording you can still see what's going on. You can use that to make it easier for you not to worry if your battery is dying. Like, you can immediately tell, you can see how you're looking, you don't have to get up and look at the camera from the back. So get you a camera that has a flip out screen if you can. If you just have your phone, use the phone until you can, just to get you started, but don't let that be the reason why you haven't started creating videos so far. You know, we love to see the growth, so we can see the evolution as you start to apply more camera gears to your catalog. Secondly, we gotta stabilize the videos, okay? We don't want no shaky videos over here. So get you a tripod. Now, there are so many recommendations out there. Like, the recommendations are endless, but there are two that I'm gonna personally recommend today. And the one that I use right now, it's from Newer. I hope I'm saying the name of the brand properly. I've been using this tripod for over 4 years now. No problems. It's sturdy. It keeps me going. It is reliable, and it is under $100. So all of the gear that I'm going to be talking about today as well, to make it easy for you to find, I'm going to be plugging it in my description box. You can go find them on my Amazon shop if you are interested. The other type of tripod that I'm recommending, which is something I recently added to my toolkit, is the selfie and tripod all in one gear. And the reason I got this is because sometimes I want to do videos and I'm like, you know, maybe around my desk, and I don't want to have this big old tripod that I have to zoom in and all of these different fancy things you have to do. If you have one that you can just put on your table, it is just easy to use, it is convenient, and it's also very handy. I can use this tripod, put it in my purse, and go wherever I want. The additional feature that I like with this tripod is also that it works as a selfie stick as well, and it comes with a Bluetooth remote. The one that I'm actually going to be adding to the Amazon storefront, which is not what I actually got, but I've recommended to people, it comes with a light. Okay, I wish that's the one I had gotten, but at the time it didn't have it. So they have new ones coming out now that actually have light attachments. So instead of you having to buy an additional phone light, this one already comes with one for you. So it helps you to look cute and lit at all times. The third gear is an external drive. Okay, like, if there's anything I would recommend for any video content creator today, is to have all of your raw files, all of your edited versions, all, like, just back them up on an external drive. Don't ever keep all of your things on your laptop, because if anything happens to the laptop, that's it. So the one that I use is, I believe it's called Lacy. And the reason I like this one is because of this coating that is around it. It makes it shock proof. And this one in particular is 2 terabytes. It was super convenient as well, and also pretty affordable given everything that I'm getting with it. And I have zero problems with it. They of course have ones depending on the type of computer that you use. I use a MacBook Pro, So I got one that was suitable for my computer, and you can also check that out. Ensure that you're reading the descriptions when you're buying stuff, y'all. Is it compatible for your computer is what you should be asking yourself. But this is where I keep all of my raw files, so that in the future, if I wanted to ever, find blooper videos that I could edit, if I wanted to re-edit a video by using raw videos that I did and just make something completely new, I still have the files for doing that because I have them on my good old external drive. The next thing is a microphone, and I'm going to be recommending two types for you. So the one that I'm using right now is one of those clip-on mics that I'm sure everybody and their granny knows about by now. It's one that you just plug the adapter into your phone and you clip the mic on, turn on the button, and you're ready to go. The reason I love this is because it helps me to block out a lot of my surrounding noise. So right now I'm at a rented studio space that I'm using to record my videos specifically for this channel. And I am surrounded by so much noise from the traffic outside. There's also a vent in the building as well that I can hear. And I remembered when I first came at this venue to record my video, I had my other microphone and it picked up all of the noises. This one, it still allows you to hear me without hearing all the extraness. There's a whole garbage truck passing right now, and I know that y'all can't hear it, and that's why I love this one. And it's perfect for like outdoor videos as well. Now, I'm not saying it completely blocks out like sound, but it is a better option if you're in a space that you can't control your surrounding sound. This is my go-to for my videos like that. The other one is my Zoom N1 microphone, which I love using for doing voiceovers, especially on my longer form videos. If I was doing a vlog, or maybe it was B-roll and I wanted to have some voiceover on it. I also use this for my podcast sometimes for voiceovers. And I bought this about 3 or 4 years ago, and it's still going. It is still going. It is pretty reliable. I don't know if they still sell this one, but I'm going to link on my Amazon store the other version to it, which is the same company. It's just that they probably discontinued this one at the time that I'm recording and uploading this video. Now, I know you probably never thought about getting this, but especially if you are using a camera to record your video, you need to invest in one of those dummy batteries, okay? I can't tell you how many times I was recording a video. I thought that I had it charged up enough, and then I had to go put my camera to go charge, and then that was like another hour just to wait for it to charge. If I had the dummy battery, I could have saved so much time. And so this one, you just put it into your camera, plug in the dummy battery adapter, and you press play and record your videos. So this is perfect if you have a camera. So like not using your phone, obviously. If you have a camera, that is what that is perfect for. Lighting, we gotta have our light, y'all. Now, I know a lot of people talk about getting direct sunlight and using that, but the way my apartment is set up, the natural lighting sometimes isn't natural lighting. You get me? So I sometimes have to use a ring light, as much as I hate it. But having additional light to help you is never a bad idea. And so a ring light is something that I would highly recommend. But in addition to that, I want to also recommend this light that you can clip onto your laptop. So for any of you who do content virtually and you want to still be lit up, you don't want to have this big old light that you have to try and angle somewhere, you can use this light to just clip onto your laptop and you're ready to go. I'm actually waiting to get mine. I ordered mine just the other day and I'm waiting for it to arrive, and I absolutely can't wait. The reason I got this one is that apart from also being able to clip it onto my computer, I can also have it stand on my desktop, which is perfect for if I'm ever recording videos on my phone. I can use my selfie stick, which I told you all about, my selfie stick / tripod, and also use this light to help keep me lit. All right, bonus item. The last thing that I want to plug is the flipstik, and I want every content creator to add this to their toolkit. It is a must-have. I've seen videos about it where it can stick to almost any surface. I mean, tile and mirrors, glass and metal, Kardashian leather, wood and cabinets, and it allows you to stick it onto your phone, stick it onto the wall, and go ahead and get your video recorded. There are many ways I think that this would be perfect, especially for my girlies who do beauty content. if you don't have a very big bathroom space and you need to get, the perfect angle, like you want your camera directly on your face kind of a deal, you could stick this onto your glass, your mirror in your bathroom, and you get the angle that you want, the exact one, because sometimes this tripod is just too big. But anyways, I'm going to be giving away one of these to a lucky winner. All you have to do is sign up for my newsletter, Dear Content Creator. The link is in the description box as well. So sign up if you're interested in being a lucky winner. And I'm going to do a raffle at the end of the month and choose the winner. You will be notified via your email if you are the winner. So yes, get this one, y'all. Get it. You need it. You must have it. If y'all found this list useful, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you never miss out on when I upload a new video. Also, let me know, are there any gear recommendations that you have? I would love to try out as many as possible, as long as it helps to make my content creation easier and helps me work smarter, not harder. I'm here for it. So let me know in the comment section, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!